everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Janel Pokhran and today I'm showing you another video about marigold. Watering marigold, very important. This part. Marigolds can grow very big, especially the ones that grow or bloom red flower. We can check their varieties depending on different sorts of their stem types. I'm going to water the other story because it will be not only. Now, over there. We got to water this part. Now, we are going to now be showing you the difference between red flower and yellow or orange flower. So, red flower, when they bloom, they have a brown stem in their stems. This one is a little bit curly because of the wind. It might have broken. As you can see, it's into pieces. This one, if you don't like it to grow into branches like trees, you can you need to pluck them off. We're just gonna leave it like that because there's no option to save that now, or we can just add a stick. So now, as you can see, it's a little bit brown over here, orange type. That will say that it will bloom into a small flower, but it will be big. As we can see, if I compare it, it's to my knees. From the, actually, on the root, it's up to this part of my leg. The root is up to here. It goes from that part of my leg to, let's find the highest red one. That's not red. This one. To below my eye. How long is that? That's almost my size. So, now, because of the brown stem, we can see, but normally they have, this one is also red. It has a possibility to be red. But over here, this is either yellow or orange. I don't know how to differentiate yellow or orange, but we'll figure out when we go through the way and step inside the way and the world of gardening. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and follow and watch different platforms of my videos. I also have a TikTok channel called Genial's Garden. Make sure you follow and like it. Thank you.